What is up, guys? Today we will talk about if you guys can withdraw money from Kucoin to your bank account. Well, withdrawing money from Kucoin directly to your bank account is not possible because Kucoin won't allow you to withdraw money directly to your bank account. However, it will allow you to withdraw money to any other wallet. So in this case, what you can do is you can actually withdraw money to your Binance or any other crypto exchange wallet which accept the crypto withdrawal. So I would suggest you just get your Binance, like wallet address. So I'm just gonna go to the Binance and I'm gonna search for Binance.com. Binance will pop up. I'm gonna log into my account. So let me just quickly log in with my Google account. Once you're logged in, you will be able to get your deposit address for the specific cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. And make sure to verify your Binance because it won't allow you to withdraw if you haven't verified your account. Now, once you verified your account, you just have to come to your Binance account, click on your profile, click on assets. Now, clicking on your assets will bring you this page. Here, you just have to click on deposit. After clicking on deposit, click on deposit. Now, there you go. You just have to select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit or get from Kucoin. Then go to KuCoin and then simply go to withdraw section. So I'm just going to open up my KuCoin. Now, if I have some of the cryptocurrency, I will be able to withdraw. If I click on add, I just can add cryptocurrency. But in my case, if I would have, I will be able to, go to my profile, check my cryptocurrency, withdraw it, and withdraw it to the Binance wallet address that we just got from Binance. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.